Martin. We're going to talk a little bit today about why a baby needs to burp and how to burp a baby. One of the most common positions that everybody has seen is you hold them up over your shoulder so that their tummy is resting on your shoulder. There's just a little bit of pressure there, and you slowly pat or rub in a circle their back, and oftentimes you will hear the baby have a little burp. If they still seem squirmy or uncomfortable, or they haven't produced a burp and you want to try a different position, you can try laying them across your lap, so kind of on their tummy, supporting their little face with your hand, and gently pat their back or rub in a circle. And then the other one that I have found particularly helpful at my house is to keep them in a seated position, supporting their face in your hand, kind of resting them on your lap. And as you lean them forward, there's just a little pressure there applied to the tummy, and that will often produce a burp. If a baby seems very uncomfortable with gas in their tummy, we'll have you lay them on their back in your lap and practice some little bicycle motions with their leg to try to see if you can move the air around so that they'll be able to burp more effectively. But those are just a few tips for how to burp a healthy baby.